Shop Talk. We're looking at that Tanaka ECS 655. This one features a 20-inch bar and chain. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. If you're not familiar with these are made in Japan. Kill switch is right in the middle. Has a throttle lock right here. You can squeeze the operator presence and trigger, push that in. That locks the throttle for easier starting. Should start this one on the ground. High compression motor, you'll want to start on the ground. Get a good grip on that handlebar. Wouldn't hurt to put that brake on and start that saw. It's a lot safer. Just get the brake off as soon as you can. It does have, like I said, the operator presence. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Chokes on top. Fuel reservoirs on top. Oil reservoir cap right on the side. And has an adjustable oiler. And to adjust it, there's a little hole right here, right on the top cover. You stick a screwdriver in there, and you can turn that oiler just a little bit and adjust the plus or minus. Got the large falling spike. 20-inch bar skip sequence on the chain, spacing on the teeth. Chisel bit configuration. Just a very powerful little saw. Very nice saw.